Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for March 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay. So let's see, Virgo, what's coming to you ngayong March 2025. Okay. You have the second house, you have Saturn and Scorpio. Saturn and Scorpio. Oh, okay. So, second house is your finances, your possessions. Saturn is the planet of discipline. This is structure. So, maaring meron kang i-organize or aayusin pagdating sa yung finances. So, ito ay matinding pag-overhaul. Maaring pipigilan mo yung sarili mo na gumastos, magpo-focus ka on how to budget your finances really well ngayong March. Maari kasing yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong gustong matapos na financial obligation. Maaring meron kayong gustong matapos na loan or yung mga binabayaran nyo for your kids, for your family. So talagang medyo kinokontrol nyo yung sarili nyo or naghihigpit kayo or maghihigpit kayo pagdating sa pera ngayong March. And that is going to be rewarding for some of you, no? Na yung rewards nyo ay base sa kung ano yung work na ginawa nyo para makarecover from financial struggle. So you have Raidu. Raidu is new beginnings. Maari ring self-discovery and travel. So some of you maaring merong travel opportunities. Same with Berkanu. Berkanu is also about new beginnings, no? So parang maaring meron kayong bagong experience pagdating sa travel ngayong March na makakapunta kayo sa isang lugar na hindi nyo pa napuntahan, na matagal nyo nang gustong puntahan. Okay? So pwedeng yan ay kasi March summer na, 'di ba? Yun na ang simula ng mainit na panahon. So baka yung iba sa inyo for vacation, no, summer vacation na yan. You are going to plan for summer vacation. But at the same time, hindi rin kayo masyadong magiging magastos ngayong March. Pagdating sa mga bagay na alam nyo hindi naman importante. Kasi may goal kayo, gusto nyong makarecover from a financial obligation. You also have Hagala, so this is some sort of crisis. Kaya maging maingat rin kayo sa expenses ninyo ngayong March. Kasi pwedeng napagastos kayo pero hindi naman pala yun importante. So by the time na meron kayong kailangan paggagastosan, hindi na kayo makapaglabas ng pera. Some of you pwede ring lilipat kayo ng matitirahan, lilipat ng trabaho. Or I also see some changes pagdating sa sources of income ninyo. Maaring you are really doing your best na magdagdag pa ng income sa inyo. Kasi pwedeng you might feel na parang may kulang or parang whatever you are earning right now is hindi na sapat sa needs mo or sa mga responsibilities mo. Let's see what else. Okay. You have Aries energy, time for action. Ayan. So, maaring ngayong March, finally na magde-decide ka na on what to do or yung mga ideas mo, you will put into action. You also have tension, square, semi-square, quincunx. May mga challenges, Virgo. Pwedeng may mga taong magiging against sa mga plano mo. Or kung hindi man sila sang-ayon, is parang hindi ka nila susuportahan. So, yun ang mahirap kasi parang maaring itong mga tao na to ay inaasahan mo na susuportahan ka pero hindi ka pala nila susuportahan. So, you might do this on your own. Na tipong ikaw yung talagang kakampi mo, sarili mo lang. Oo, you might do this independently. You also have energy ng Gemini, which is cross-pollinate. So, some of you might also be meeting new friends, connecting with new people, at maaring dito ka makahanap ng mga taong susuporta sa mga plano mo, sa visions mo, sa dreams mo. Maari ring mas magiging open ka ngayon sa social media or gagamitin mo yung social media presence mo para mag-generate ng income at magpalawak ng network. Marami ng paraan ngayon, 'di ba, para kumita ng pera online. So maaring isa rin 'yan sa kino-consider mo ngayong March to finally take action dito sa mga plano mo. Especially that one of your focus ay yung iyong finances, yung properties mo, sources of income. Your overall energy is the Ace of Wands. Speaking of taking action, this is a new inspiration for you. So, you're feeling inspired ngayong March. Importante kasi yan na inspired kayo dahil yan yung magbibigay sa inyo ng drive, ng inspiration to do things, do the things that you really want. I also see mga exciting travels for you. Your challenge is the Ace of Swords. So, as a challenge, maaring meron kang mga ideas na nahihirapan kang isakatuparan. So, you really just need to take action. Virgo, whatever this is. Lalo na kung nakikita mo na parang gusto mo siyang gawin pero parang ang daming pumipigil sa'yo na gawin yun, but deep within you, gusto mo. So, parang there's a challenge na dito tinetest kung talaga bang gusto mo yan or gaano ka pursigido. Ace of Swords is also a new beginning. So, maaring merong new connection with someone kasi Swords is about communication. Maaring merong challenging na conversation with someone. Okay? Na maaring magkaroon ng tension. So, be very careful rin sa mga bibitawan mong salita. Kasi pwedeng maka-offend ng iba. And then, your opportunities, the Hierophant. So, as an opportunity, maaring merong bagong paraan for you to learn new things. Kasi this is about mentorship, learning, doing things traditionally. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, merong kayong i-consult na mentor, teacher, or this is just you na meron kang self-discovery na ginagawa, no? You are discovering yourself, your talents, your skills, yung mga bagay na kaya mo pang gawin. And then your focus is the Champion of Pentacles. See, sabi ko sa inyo, focus niyo sa finances, career, or sa sources of income ninyo. Champion of Pentacles is having stability in your finances. Pwede kung kayo ay may negosyo ngayon, yan yung isa sa pagbibigyan nyo ng atensyon. Aalagaan nyo, aasikasuhin nyo dahil alam nyo na ito ay magbibigay ng income sa inyo, ng kaperahan. And then your blessing is the Empress. Wow, naman, Virgo. So as a blessing, this is abundance. This is about your resources, yung needs mo, yung mga pangangailangan mo. It will be given to you. Alam nyo, yung efforts ninyo, it will be rewarded. No? So isipin nyo na lang kung gumawa kayo ng action, trinabaho nyo, in-effortan nyo, worth it naman yan. Okay? This is going to be worth it. Let's see what else for Virgo. Ngayong March. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. Yes, wag mong hayaan na ibaba ang standards mo para lang merong kang ma-please na someone, no? Para lang just to belong or just to fit in. Meron kang secret admirer, Virgo, na pwedeng magkikipag-communicate sa'yo or will try to get to know you ngayong March. Time to act. Oh my God. Virgo, ito na talaga yung sign ninyo to take action. Time to act. Kumbaga, yung action na yan ay meron kayong lakas ng loob, may confidence kayo sa sarili nyo na gawin yan. Sabi nga, just do it. Ito rin yung sinabi ko sa inyo na you will be rewarded, no? So, you will be taken care of in difficult times. Someone is willing to help you, to give you assistance sa mga panahon na kailangan mo. Okay? Kumbaga, you will meet the right people. So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.